The Clogher Valley Railway opened in the 1880s. The narrow gauge line ran from Maguiresbridge, where it connected with the Great Northern Railway, through Brookborough here, on to Fivemiletown, Clogher, Augher, Ballygawley, Aughnacloy, and onwards to Tyan, where once again it met up with the Great Northern Railway line. So it was a linked line. People have often said it made the Clogher Valley, that the Clogher Valley didn't exist as an entity until the days of the railway, which gave it that cohesive quality which it still has. The railway ran for a fair number of years, but was never overly profitable. And once road competition came along after the First World War, it suffered greatly from being a roadside tramway, which meant that quite often it ran along the side of the road. And once there came along a lot of cars and buses and lorries, that competition took away the railway's lifeline, goods and passengers. With declining numbers travelling, there was a need for economy. The Clogher Valley Railway early on developed a diesel rail car. They bought this of Walkers of Wigan and were among the early railway companies to have a diesel rail car. In fact, they bought a second one, which was called the Unit, and most of the services were dieselised in the mid-30s. But even with this, the writing was on the wall. And by 1941, the government of Stormont decided that the railway would close. It was to close on the 31st of December 1941. But the Clogher Valley, being the Clogher Valley, they ran a last midnight special, so the railway technically ended early the next morning, on the 1st of January 1942.